Using AI for studying? Then you're probably using it wrong. Let me guess. You open AI, type your question, copy the answer, close it. Feels productive, but your marks? Still average. Why? Because you turned AI into a shortcut instead of a weapon. Here's the shift. Top students don't use AI to get answers. They use AI to think better. Let's break it down. 1. Use AI as a teacher, not Google. Don't ask, give me notes. Ask this instead. Explain this like I'm 10. Test me on this topic. Ask me questions one by one. Now your brain is active, not passive. 2. Use AI for active recall. Most students read and forget. Smart students do this. Ask me 10 exam questions from this chapter. Don't show answers until I reply. Now you're training your brain like an exam. 3. Use AI for study plans. No plan equals no focus. Say, create a 3-day study plan for this chapter. Include revision plus test. Now you have direction. 4. Use multiple AI, secret weapon. Most students use one AI. Big mistake. Use like this. ChatGPT, explain concepts, Claude, detailed answers, plus writing Notion, AI, notes, plus organization, Grok, quick answers, plus ideas. Different tools, different strengths. Now here's the truth. AI will not make you smarter unless you use it smartly. So starting today, stop copying. Start questioning. Start testing yourself. Use AI like a coach, not a cheat code. Students who use AI for answers stay average. Students who use AI to think become unstoppable. And if you want more mind hacks like this, you already know what to do.